I show you the performance of miniRaman for in vivo skin measurements. We have 3 contact probes for 0-20 microns, and I insert this one 640 microns and around 100 microns penetration depth. And if I turn on the laser with 785 nanometers, we can touch my finger, for example. Yes, and here you will see the live spectrum of skin at approximately half a second exposure time. And then if I switch to another laser with 675 frequency, you will see the spectrum of skin with CH and OH peaks at approximately half a second. Very important detail here, which we were working hard for a long time, is here, the transmittance correction. Now it's inbuilt in the miniRaman, and if I unplug it, you would see some spectral irregularities. So when I turn it on, it compensates on it. So you can see it's more homogeneous with transmittance correction. Probably we can see that better if I enlarge it. So it's on now and it's off now. You see this inhomogeneities in spectrum profiles, they are compensated when this is on. So that was a great achievement by us. And let's try to see how spectrum differ if we touch some other point. Let's say here. Yes, and if I would scroll the video, you will see high fluorescence, but Raman as well. Yeah. And let's try this part of the body, and you can see the following spectrum profile. How about the cheek? We can try another part of the body. Here you also would see the Raman spectrum. If you want really rich water content Raman spectrum, I can try to measure my tongue like that. Here we can also turn on 785 laser and do the same measurements. The cheek again with 785, and yes, here it's more fluorescence, but we can increase the exposure time, let's say up to 2 seconds. Yeah. And then we will get better quality for sure of the skin spectrum. Let's try to switch for another probe. There is a middle size 40 to 60 microns. Yeah. And if I turn on this one and measure my cheek again, for example, you already could expect some other spectrum profile, but this is for consideration into the deep research, of course. Another laser. Let's see. I think this looks way less noisy in comparison to 0 penetration depth, 0 to 20. So this is really nice condition, I believe, for cheek measurements here. And yes, let's try traditionally to measure our hand here. And it's way less hydrated, also great spectrum quality. And if I would switch to another wavelengths, we will get some spectrum here, and of course enlarge it like that. Okay, then we switch to the deepest penetration depth probe. It's approximately 100 microns. I2 785 nanometer laser. We see light contamination from lamps, but of course if I focus on my skin, it will not penetrate through, and we still see very nice skin spectrum quality. How about high frequency range with red laser? It is photo bleaching, and we also see a very nice spectrum profile. That was basically end of the demonstration performance of the miniRaman with 2 lasers and 3 probes for different penetration depths. Thank you for your attention.